Listen to me. I need you to lean in and hear what I am about to say to you right now, because your entire retirement financial future depends on it. Everywhere you look today, people are calling home equity a side hustle. They say, why work a job when you can just tap into your home's value and live the good life in retirement? Are you out of your mind? Your home is not a side hustle, and it is certainly not a piggy bank to fund a lifestyle you cannot otherwise afford. I know why this is happening. You are approaching retirement, or you are already in it, and you are terrified. You are looking at rising inflation, soaring healthcare costs, and a fixed income, and you are asking yourself, am I going to run out of money? How am I going to afford to travel, upgrade my home, or just live comfortably without stressing every single month? The fear of outliving your money is real. It keeps you up at night. And then somebody comes along and tells you, hey, you've got hundreds of thousands of dollars sitting right there in your house. Take out a HELOC, get a reverse mortgage, or do a cash-out refinance. It's easy money. Stop. Take a deep breath and look at what you are actually doing. When you use a home equity line of credit or a home equity loan to fund your daily living, your travel, or your lifestyle, you are taking on debt in retirement. You are putting a lien on the roof over your head. What happens if interest rates rise on that variable rate HELOC? Your monthly payment shoots up. On a fixed income, where is that extra money going to come from? If you can't pay it back, do you know what the bank does? They don't care that you worked 40 years for that house. They take your home. You could lose the very place that gives you security. And what about a reverse mortgage? Oh, people love to sell you on reverse mortgages. No monthly mortgage payments, sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But let's get real about how it actually works. A reverse mortgage is not free money. You are borrowing against your home, interest is compounding every single month, and you are eating away at the equity that took you decades to build. Plus, you are still responsible for property taxes, homeowners insurance, and all maintenance. If you fall behind on those taxes, you can still face foreclosure. And when you pass away or need to move into assisted living, that loan comes due. What is left for your children or your heirs? Nothing. Or a complicated financial mess. So what should you do? How do you protect yourself first, last, and always? Here is your actionable takeaway. First, change your mindset. Your home equity is your ultimate emergency safety net, not a lifestyle slush fund. If you genuinely need extra income in retirement, look at real side hustles, consulting, tutoring, pet sitting, or part-time work that brings in cash flow without taking on debt. Second, if you are house rich and cash poor, consider downsizing. Sell the big house, buy a smaller home outright or rent, and put the actual cash proceeds into a safe, liquid account to generate income. Third, if you ever open a HELOC or consider a reverse mortgage, use it strictly as a standby emergency fund for unforeseen medical crises, not for daily spending or vacations. You worked way too hard to get to this stage of your life. Do not gamble the roof over your head for short-term luxury. Protect your home, stand in your financial truth, and keep your peace of mind.